Hi, Otis Dealey here. If you want to prep your car or camper van for the ultimate summer road trip, eBay's range of millions of car parts and accessories can help you replace or upgrade whatever you need and save you a few quid in garage bills too. Tired of streaky windscreens? Well, it's recommended that you change your windscreen wipers at least once a year, and eBay makes it simple to do it yourself at a fraction of the cost. Start by typing your car registration into the My Garage function so you can find the right part at the right price for you. You can choose from a range of original equipment manufacturers including BMW, Audi, Ford and more. Once your new wiper blades have arrived, check your owner's manual to see if your current ones need releasing electronically. Once you have access to them, raise them up around 90 degrees from the windscreen until they lock in place. The mechanism will usually have a lever to detach the old wiper. Remove and replace them one at a time, so when you clip in a new blade, you'll have the other one as a reference. Now all that's left to do is lower the blades and you're good to go. Need the right part for the right price this summer? Shop 20% off summer car essentials with eBay.